Thank you for your purchase of Funride Rabbit Ride Car. This car comes with unique features of safety and comfort, such as lights in front handle with music, storage under the seat, stylish backrest, comfortable and sturdy design, attractive rabbit look. This kid's car is easy to assemble in just a few steps. Step 1. Place front wheel to main body. Step 2. Place steering wheel to fork. Step 3. Place backrest to main body. Step 4. Place 2 AAA batteries and lock the cap. Your rabbit ride-on car is ready to ride. Funride, a ride of happiness.